Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see how to create an organization unit and users in Windows Server 2019. Before we begin, make sure that Active Directory Domain Services is installed on your server and the server is prompted as a domain controller. If you have not done that yet, please check out my previous video where I shown you how to set up it. Now with that said, let's jump into create the OU and users. First of all, we need to open Active Directory users and computers. You can do this by going to Start menu by searching for Active Directory users and computers and click on it. Active Directory. You can click here also and you can open it from here also. And there is a command to open that the run dsa.msc is a command to open the Active Directory users and computers. It is a tree structure of Active Directory. In the tree structure, this is the main domain name and built-in. These all the groups, predefined groups are here. And computers, we are not joined any computer here. And the domain controller, our PDC server. Foreign security principles, managed service account and users. In users, we have an administrator user and guest user was disabled and remaining all are security groups. Now we are going to create a new OU here by right clicking here, new and organization unit OU. Name it IT department and you can check this one, protect container for accidental deletions. If you uncheck this one, the OU will delete by mistakenly. It will not ask you any prompts. You can see that one also. Okay, I created an OU. Here we can, the computers will come. If any new computers join into this domain, it will display here. Later we will move these computers to the respective departments. I created this OU. Now I am going to delete this one. Delete this OU. It is asked for, are you sure you want to delete this OU? Named IT department. Yes, I want to delete. It's not asked any protection there. Simply it was deleted. Again I created a new OU. IT department. Now I am protecting my account. Now I try to delete it again. Yes, you don't have sufficient privilege to delete IT department or this object is protected for accidental deletion. For that reason, we need to select that option. Okay. Here we can add groups also, computers also, users also. Now I'm going to create a user, name it IT, and you can give a name also, any name, IT user, and password, any password you can give. User must change password at next login. Yes. Click finish. Yes, the user was created successfully. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.